Hi fellas, it's Nick. I'm gonna make this short video. I had my trains running the other day and I accidentally started the trains would be in the Lash up. But as you can see, the New York Central has its own train and the Union Pacific has its own train. But I'm gonna run it as though they were in a Lash up. And it's really interesting that in a Lash up, as you know, the lead engine would be the only one that would have the sound and the crew talk and whistles and bells and everything. And the one behind it, it'll have its light on. But when I turned it on, as I mentioned, it was just by a mistake that it was in the position where it would be a Lash up. Both of them worked as an individual engine, except the fact that when it moves, it seemed as though it was still in a Lash up. So I'm going to turn the engines on and you'll see what it is, and I'll just have it run around the track. And it's just a short one. I thought it would be fun running it this way. So here we go, fellas. I'm going to start them up.
New York Central 5628, do you copy? Roger that. 5628 here. Start up, stand by. Move. Over. Understood. I'll get this straight up and running. Out. Dispatch. NYC 5628, am I clear of track? Over. Am I clear to the outbound? Over. 5628, you're good to go. Negative. Over. Hold your position. Over. Roger that. We have that go sign. 5628 out. New York Central 5628, am I clear of hold? Over. 5628, you're good to go. Over. Copy that, dispatch. I've got green boards. 5628 out. Dispatch, it's 5628 here. Train is underway. Over. Acknowledged. Very good, 5628 out. Dispatch 5628, go to restricted speed. Over. Over. Running at restricted speed. Roger that. Moving to restricted speed. Out.
I noticed the Union Pacific, when I blow the whistle, the lights, the ground lights don't go on. So that would be, if it was in the Lash up, that would be behind the New York Central GP. But other than that, they seem to be working as individual engines, except that they're both going at the same speed. I thought that was kind of neat.
Thank you, sir. We're making good time. Roger that. All clear ahead. 5628 out. Dispatch 58, you are clear to ground. Over. Thank you, sir. Approaching now. 5628 out. Dispatcher here. Emergency stop. Emergency stop. NYC 5628 here. I'm at a full stop. We're okay. Thank you, sir. 5628. Good work. Out. Dispatch, it's 5628 here. Keep rolling. Very good. 5628. Out.
I noticed the UPS, it seems to be slow compared to the GPS. But anyway, we're going to shut it down.
You're in place. Sit tight. Out.
Well, fellas, I just wanted to show you how the boat engines, they have different trains, but they're still running as a lash up. Except the fact that, as I mentioned, in the lash up, the Union Pacific would be behind the GPS, and all it would do is just smoke. And the GPS would have all the whistles and bells and sounds and so on. But anyway, I just had some fun, and I thought maybe it'd be nice to show it to you. All right, fellas, you have a great day. Take care now. Bye.